What's the secret to a long, healthy life? It's a question that's fascinated people for centuries. From ancient myths to modern science, we've always searched for ways to stay young, vibrant, and full of energy as the years go by. While there's no single answer, one thing is clear. Our daily choices, especially what we put on our plates, play a huge role in how we age and how we feel. While there's no magic bullet, what we eat is a game changer. The foods we choose can either help us thrive or hold us back. Imagine your meals as powerful tools. Each bite can support your body's natural defenses, boost your mood, and even help you look and feel younger. It's not about following the latest fad or depriving yourself of foods you love. Instead, it's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. It's not about extreme diets, just smart, consistent choices that nourish your body. Think of it as building a foundation for lifelong health, one meal at a time. By focusing on whole, nutrient-rich foods, you can support your immune system, maintain a healthy weight, and even reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Science shows certain foods can help fight disease and slow aging. Researchers have discovered that some ingredients are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and keep your organs functioning at their best. These foods don't just add years to your life, they add life to your years. Today we're diving into 9 superfoods that can help you live longer and feel better. These aren't exotic or hard-to-find ingredients. They're delicious, accessible, and easy to add to your daily routine. From colorful berries to leafy greens, each one offers unique benefits that support your body and mind. We'll break down the science and show you how these foods boost your brain, protect your heart, and keep you energized. Whether you're looking to improve your memory, strengthen your immune system, or simply enjoy more vibrant health, these superfoods can make a real difference. So grab a pen, take some notes, and get ready to transform your plate and your life. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with one of nature's most vibrant and nutritious superfoods, blueberries. These tiny, deep blue gems are more than just a tasty treat. They're packed with a powerhouse of nutrients that can make a real difference in your health. Blueberries are especially rich in anthocyanins, the natural compounds responsible for their beautiful color. Anthocyanins are a type of antioxidant, which means they help protect your cells from the harmful effects of free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and contribute to aging and disease. By regularly including blueberries in your diet, you're giving your body a natural boost in its fight against inflammation and cellular damage. Studies have shown that people who eat blueberries often have lower levels of inflammation, healthier blood vessels, and a reduced risk of developing heart disease and stroke. The antioxidants in blueberries help keep your arteries flexible and your blood flowing smoothly, which is crucial for a healthy heart. But the benefits don't stop there. Blueberries are also considered excellent brain food. The flavonoids found in these berries are able to cross the blood-brain barrier, where they help protect brain cells from damage, support memory, and enhance cognitive function. In fact, research suggests that people who eat blueberries regularly may experience slower rates of cognitive decline as they age, and even improvements in memory and learning. Some exciting new studies even indicate that blueberries can influence gene expression related to cell repair and longevity. This means they may help your body repair itself at the cellular level, supporting overall health and resilience. Wondering how to get more blueberries into your daily routine? It's easy. Sprinkle a handful over your morning oatmeal or cereal, stir them into creamy yogurt, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie for a burst of flavor and nutrition. You can even bake them into muffins or pancakes for a healthy twist on your favorite treats. Of course, one of the simplest and most satisfying ways to enjoy blueberries is to eat them fresh, straight from the bowl. They make a perfect snack for kids and adults alike. Sweet, juicy, and packed with goodness. So next time you're looking for a delicious way to support your long-term health, reach for a bowl of blueberries. With their powerful antioxidants, heart and brain benefits, and endless versatility, blueberries truly are one of the best investments you can make in your well-being. Next up, spinach. This humble leafy green is often overlooked, but it truly deserves a place at the top of your grocery list. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, earning its reputation as a green giant not just for its size, but for the sheer density of health-promoting nutrients packed into every leaf. Spinach is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins K, A, and C, as well as folate, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are vital for supporting your body as you age, helping to maintain energy, immunity, and overall vitality. Vitamin K in particular is crucial for bone health, working hand in hand with calcium to keep your bones strong and resilient. It also helps prevent calcium from building up in your arteries, which can lower your risk of heart disease. By including spinach in your meals, you're giving your bones the support they need to stay healthy and robust, especially as you get older. But the benefits don't stop there. Spinach is also rich in carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful antioxidants act as natural sunglasses for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light from screens and sunlight. They help protect your vision and may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Another remarkable benefit of spinach is its natural nitrate content. These plant-based compounds help relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow and making it easier for your heart to pump blood. This can lead to lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, making spinach a heart-healthy choice for people of all ages. Folate, another key nutrient in spinach, plays a vital role in DNA repair and cell growth. It's especially important for brain and heart health, supporting cognitive function and helping to prevent certain birth defects. Eating spinach regularly can help keep your mind sharp and your body functioning at its best. The best part? Spinach is incredibly versatile. Toss it into your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost, add it to salads for a fresh crunch, or sauté it with garlic as a delicious side dish. However you enjoy it, spinach is a foundational food for longevity, supporting your health from head to toe. Make it a regular part of your diet and let this green giant help you thrive for years to come. Let's talk salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, EPA, and DHA, which fight inflammation and protect your heart and brain. These fats lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and help prevent heart attacks and strokes. DHA is vital for brain health, supporting memory and lowering dementia risk. Salmon's high-quality protein helps maintain muscle as you age. Plus, it contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin and heart health. For the best benefits, choose wild-caught salmon and aim for 2 servings a week. Superfood number 4, nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, just a handful a day can lower your risk of heart disease and cancer. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, plant protein, and fiber, keeping you full and supporting weight management. They're rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, and minerals like selenium. Regular nut eaters have lower rates of diabetes and better blood sugar control. Mix up your nut choices and go for raw or dry roasted, unsalted varieties for the healthiest option. Next, avocado. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which lowers bad cholesterol and raises good cholesterol. They're high in fiber, supporting gut health and reducing inflammation. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which helps control blood pressure. Their antioxidants, like lutein and zeaxanthin, support eye health. Add avocado to salads, toast, or smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-dense boost. Now let's sip on some green tea. Green tea is packed with polyphenols, especially EGCG, a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from aging. It supports heart health by improving blood vessel function and lowering blood pressure. The combo of caffeine and L-theanine sharpens focus while keeping you calm. Green tea may also boost metabolism and help regulate blood sugar. For the most benefits, drink a few cups of freshly brewed green tea daily. Skip the sugary bottled versions. Let's spice things up with garlic. Garlic's power comes from allicin, a compound released when you crush or chop it. It boosts your immune system, lowers blood pressure, and reduces cholesterol. Garlic's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects protect your heart and may even help lower cancer risk. Add chopped or crushed garlic to your meals. Let it sit a few minutes before cooking to maximize benefits. Good news, dark chocolate makes the list. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for the most flavonols, which are powerful antioxidants. Dark chocolate supports heart health by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. It can also boost brain function and mood. Enjoy a small square or two as a treat. Just watch the portion size and choose high-quality chocolate. Last but not least, sweet potatoes. Their orange color comes from beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A for healthy vision and immunity. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber, supporting gut health and steady blood sugar. They're also rich in potassium and manganese, which help control blood pressure and support antioxidant defenses. Try them baked, roasted, or mashed for a delicious, nutrient-packed side. There you have it, 9 superfoods to help you live longer and feel your best. You don't need to eat them all every day, just start adding more to your meals. Every healthy choice is an investment in your future. What's your favorite way to enjoy these foods? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.